To create a multi-color summary schedule, an example of is in this project here. You can see we have several bars here, all of different colors, that when we actually roll it up at a summary level, all the information has gone except for a summary level view of all three of those activities in color scheme with the village label at the end. It can be used for management reporting. As you can see, this overlay just here, and when we get through the video, you'll see that this is a priority over this one. Therefore, that area of the schedule just here hides this part when we collapse this view. You can see the actual purple part runs to about here. So this one has priority over this other one. And this is a multicolor summary schedule. So the first step of this process is to tag each activity as you want it to be displayed by color. So we want all procurement activities, regardless of what the activity name is, to be green, and engineering to be purple, and construction to be orange for this example project. You could have multiple procurement activities in here, all tagged with procurement. What you do now is you go up to your filter, go customize, add a new filter in by hitting that new button. Okay, and we've already done them, and we've called them multicolor summary construction engineering procurement. Of course, you could make any type that you see fit for your schedule. The filter for us is the AD stage, and so any activity which is tagged with an AD stage activity code under the value of construction. And of course, you could create any filter you so see fit. And we've done this for engineering as well, and also procurement as well. For right now, you want to leave them unticked on the filters. We'll come back to this later and we'll sort that out. And now we have to go and modify the bars. The next step after creating your filters is to add in 3 or more new bars for your multicolor summary. So if you hit add, it'll put them down the bottom here, which is where you want it. I've created 3 already. So you just go add, and then you label it a multicolor summary procurement or engineering construction, whatever you want to be. Come down to your bar styles so that you've got different colors. You can have those as whatever you want. The next part of that is make sure they are ticked on for display, and that the summary bar, which is on right now, you actually want to take that off so it disappears from the view. The other thing is you now want to apply a filter to that particular the bar. So you remember we created filters. Here they are here. Go any selected filter and click on procurement or engineering, whichever one happens to apply to the bar that you've created. Hit OK. And the next thing to make sure is that the sequence that these bars are listed down the screen here control which one is the priority bar in terms of display preference order. Again, this orange bar is lower than this bar, therefore it has the highest preference in terms of visibility, which is why when we roll this up, that section there is displayed as opposed to these ones. Very important you get this sequencing right for what you're trying to achieve. Once you've created the various bars for the multicolor summary that you're after, and the filters, and applied them accurately, the other thing you may want to do is on your bar labels, you remove the label for this one and this one, and the very last one I recommend that you apply the label that you want to show, whether that be a package name, a WBS name, a whatever. If you have it shown on all of these, when you roll this up, it'll actually display and clutter up the view. So at the moment, village is the only thing showing at the end of this particular bar. So that's the second step after the filters. Hit OK.